Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter decimal fractions. That is exercise 4E in the page number 67. All of you open page 67, exercise 4E. Question 1. Round off the given question to the nearest tenths. Round off the given question to the nearest tenths. We should round it to the nearest tenths for the given decimal number or decimal fractions. Now here this is actually whole number part, that is not in the decimal part, no. So that is whole number part. These two digits are in the decimal part, 0 and 7. Same way here 1, 1, 2 are in the decimal part. 5, 9 are in the decimal part. 4, 8, 9 are in the decimal part. Starting 0 is the whole number part. Here 0 is whole number part. 3 is a whole number part. 9 is also the whole number part for us. Now which is a decimal part, which is a whole number part is clear for us. Already we have discussed in the introduction of this chapter. Now this place is a tenths place. TE and THS, tenths place. This place is a hundredths place, hundredths. It's not hundreds place, it is hundredths place. Same way here, tenths place, hundredths place, thousandths place, thousandths. Already we discussed this matter. Okay, just I have recalled by saying a little for that. Now here tenths place, hundredths place, two decimal places are there. They don't want to see two places. They want to see only up to tenths place. Up to tenths place only we should reduce that. That only they said round off the given number to the nearest tenths. Up to tenths place only they want to see. That is only rounding off. Okay. Here tenths, hundredths, thousandths, three places are there, but they want to see only one place in the decimal part, that is only the nearest tenths they want. We should reduce to the nearest tenths. Same way this also, same way this also. Okay, now coming to the part. Now 0.07 is equal to 0. That 0 point I have written here 0 point. Only this up to this place I have to write now. That is 0 actually. After the 0, what is there? 7. Whether this digit is equal to 5 or more than 5 or less than 5, we have to identify. Here the digit is it equal to 5 or more than 5 or less than 5? We have to check. It is more than 5 only, no? So whenever this is the digit appeared for us as more than 5, then we want to remove this digit because they don't want to see this hundredths place, and this hundredths place digit is more than 5 also. So we can give 1 to the previous digit. Already 0 is there. For that, if we give 1, 0 plus 1 gives you 1. That means this 0 changed as 1 because of 1 given by this 7. Why that 7 is given 1 to the previous 0? Because if this digit is either equal to 5 or more than 5, whenever we want to remove that digit with the conditions what I have spoken, either equal to 5 or more than 5, and if we want to remove that digit, then 1 should be given to the previous digit. Then we can ignore the digit what we have want to remove. Okay, now that is only happened here. That's why the 0 changed as 1 by taking 1 from this 7. When we want to remove the 7, it is the way we have to think of. Got some idea? Then this is called, this number is rounded off to the nearest tenths. This number is rounded off to the nearest tenths and formed as 0.1. Is it clear? The next part, the second one, 0.112. Only up to here we want to, then this digit I have to check. 0.1 I have the 0 point, I have written 0 point. This digit 1 we have in the 10th place. Up to that digit only we want to write as our answer. Then we should check the digit in the 100th place. This digit is 1 which is less than 5. It is not even equal to 5 or not even more than 5. But it is less than 5. Simply ignore that 1. Then the previously what we have 0.1, that only we can write. No need of adding anything when the digit in the 100th place is less than 5. Is it clear? If it is equal to 5 or more than 5, we can give 1 to the previous digit and then we can remove that digit. But we don't have here, it is not even equal to 5. Of course, it is not at all greater than 5. So that we can simply ignore this digit onwards. That previously 0.1 is there. That is only written as the answer for us. Same way for the other part, 3.59. Third bit in that 3.59. Up to this 10th place only we should write 3 point. I have written first. Up to this place only we want to write. Then I should check this digit. This is more than 5 we have observed, no? It is more than 5 and we want to remove it. Then we should give 1 to the previous digit. Already 5 is there and this 1 we are giving from this 9. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. Then we can happily remove that 9 because they asked only up to 10th place we should round off. That's why the 3.59 rounded to the answer called 3.6 to the nearest 10th. Okay, no? The last one in that 9.489. This is this up to this digit only we want to write 9. I have written this up to this digit only I should write actually. Then I must check this digit. This is 8 and is more than 5. So 1 should be given to it. Then that becomes 9.5 now. Then from 8 onwards we can ignore that. So all these are rounded to the nearest tenths. All these are rounded to the nearest tenths. We'll go for the second part. Those are to nearest hundredths. We should round off to the nearest hundredths. Given question is the second one. In the first question only second bit. This is 0 point I have written. 6 also written. Here 2 is the actually hundredths place. Up to this digit only I should write to. But that 7 I have noticed that is bigger than 5. So 1 given to this previous. 2 plus 1 becoming 3. Then 0.63. Up to the hundredths place I have written. That is called nearest hundredths. Whereas here nearest tenths. There nearest hundredths we have to. So that means 2 digits we should write. Now 4 up to 4 100.4 I have written. Then this is 7 up to this 7 only I should write because hundredths place I should write. Then I should check 9. This one. This is bigger than 5. So 1 should be given to it. 7 plus 1 is 8. 100.48. 100.479 changed as 100.48 when we have rounded it to the nearest hundredths. Next 0.6065. 0.0, 0.0 same only. Actually up to this place only I should write to. Then I must check this one. The digit in the thousandths place I should check. It is less than 5 or equal to 5 or more than 5 we should check. It is luckily equal to 5. When we want to remove the digit which is equal to 5 or more than 5, 1 should be given to the previous, then only the digit can be removed. So when this is equal to 5 and we want to remove, so that 1 should be given to it. Then this 6 is raised to the 7 by adding 1. Yes, no? When we add 1 to the 6, it will raise it to the 7. That's why 0.07. That is the way we have to think and write answer. I hope that is clear for you. Next one 0.024. 0.0 I have written. The next digit is 2. Up to this only we want to write. But we should check this thousandth place digit. That is 4. It is less than 5. So simply we will ignore it. Other part I can write 0.02. all are rounded to the nearest hundreds. All these answers are rounded to the nearest hundreds. Here answers are rounded to the nearest tens. Then next, all those answers are rounded to the nearest whole number. We have checked in the beginning which is whole number part, which is decimal part. So based on that, let us see third one. I hope the second answer is clear for you. We will see the third one now. In the first question only, third bit. Round off to the nearest whole number, that is 4.83. Before the point what we have, that is the whole number. Yeah, actually 4 is there. 4 changed as 5. Why? Because this digit we have to check now. Just side of the whole number, what is there? This 10th place. That 10th place digit 8, that is bigger than 5. Either it is equal to 5 or bigger than 5. When that number want to remove, then that should be given 1 to the previous. So 4 plus 1 gives you 5. That is only all rounded to the nearest whole number we have written. So 4.83 changed as 5. Suppose if you want to give money to someone 4 rupees 80 paisa or 4 rupees 90 paisa like that, you will not give the paisa and simple directly you can give 5 rupees to them. That is also you are making into the nearest whole number and you are paying it. Is it clear? Suppose any item is cost suppose 12 rupee 50 paise. So 50 paise change may not be with us. So then the 13 rupees will be paid. That means we are rounding the numbers to the nearest whole numbers. In our daily life also we are doing that part. The same way we are rounding it. The second one is 0.86. Here 0 is there. This is the whole number. This only up to here only we want to write actually. Then I must check a 10th digit. This is 8. It is bigger than 5. So 1 should be given to the whole number. 0 plus 1 gives you 1. Then other part in the decimal part can be ignored. So this 0.86 is rounded to the 1 to the whole number. Okay, now the next part 451.943. So this 451 is the whole thing is whole number. This full I have to write actually, but whether any chance of changing this number or not we have to think of. By saying this 10th place digit 9, that we came to know that that is bigger than 5, so that I should give 1 to the 451. Already because 451 is there and 1 we are going to get newly. 451 plus 1 gives you 452. That will be the whole number, nearest whole number for the given decimal number or the decimal fraction. The next 9.08. Up to this 9 only actually I must write answer, but I have to check this 10th digit. It is 0. It is not at all equal to 5 or not at all more than 5, but it is less than 5. So we can ignore that 0 which is less than 5. Just this 9 only I have written there as the nearest whole number for this given decimal number. All these answers are rounded to the nearest whole number as they have asked in the question. I hope all the 3 models are very clear for you. Nearest to 10th so we have rounded. Here is rounded off to the nearest hundreds. Here we have rounded off to the nearest whole number. Is it clear, students? So all these are to be written in your classwork book with the help of the photo of the board, and you should prepare all these things also. With other parts of teaching we can meet in the next class. Okay, thank you children. Okay.